Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the bullet point and numbering on your Google Docs mobile phone application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use bullets, points and numbering in Google Docs mobile application. So first of all, click on this plus symbol and click on new document, and here you just type whatever that you want. I just type as 126. So first of all, you just select the sentence or word that you want to bullets or numbering. So now click on this option on the bar on the down. You will actually make this bulleting points, and click on this number, actually make the numbering system, bulleting points or numbering system, bulleting points or number system. You can just switch between these two, and click on this A symbol. It's actually open this, and now change to text to paragraph, and click on this arrow mark, which actually changes the numberings, alphabets, Roman numbers, whatever. And here the bulleting points actually change to bulleting like this. So this is how you just change a bulleting points or numbering, switch between these two in your Google Docs mobile. You can insert bullets or numbering. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.